Let's install my wig together. Freeze spray bald cap. Add powder makeup to match skin tone. Clean skin with 91% alcohol. First, use scalp protector. Now use first layer of sensitive bond glue. Smooth that shit out. Getting sis ready. Add lace tape right above hairline. Catch them ears. Second layer sensitive glue. Smooth that thing out. Lightly add powder makeup. Add freeze spray. Slap that shit on, girl. Take your time, but don't let the glue dry. Cut off extra lace. Wrap her up and trust the process. Scalp. It don't move. Get these products. Add more freeze spray and wrap again. Shimmer polish. Get your face beat. All products available